Hi, my name is Ruchita. I have been working as a designer in Calcutta for the last 8 or 9 years. And I've been teaching at École Intuit Lab, Calcutta for about 1.5 years now. It's been great so far. The students have been incredibly hardworking, and it's been lovely mentoring them and sort of guiding them towards new opportunities. Some of them recently went to Bombay. A few students recently went to Paris, and they've been creating some incredible works of art. In college, we've had a few international workshops. We recently had a workshop with Raphael where some of the Lab 2 students created a map of Calcutta with different elements of Calcutta, which Raphael has been working with the kids on for many months now. He recently did a similar workshop in Bombay. So it's been really great to see what these students are capable of and the kind of work that they can produce when they've been given a challenge. Overall, teaching them has been incredibly fulfilling, and it's been a lot more fun than what I expected. And I'm really looking forward to this year's exhibition. We have had some incredible topics for exhibitions in the past years. So I'm really excited to see what the students come up with this year. So yeah, I really hope to see more amazing works by these students, and I really hope to keep guiding them.